Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hopefully, you are fine and doing great at your home with your families. So, these are Al-Qura online classes. Welcome back again. This is English grammar lecture and it is for grade 4. Our topic for today is School Carnival and it's a paragraph. Obviously, I am just going to provide you the web and you have to solve the paragraph or write the paragraph for yourselves. So, let's start. Obviously, first of all, we have to understand the topic. What is a carnival? Carnival is in the sense of festival, you can say that. Okay, so school carnival, so it is related to the school. First of all, guests. Obviously, when there is a festival, we give invitations to the other people. So we also give invitations to the other schools and as well as the celebrities. They can be anyone, scholars, religious scholars, they can be literature scholars, they can be politicians, they can be anyone. We invited them also. So these are the guest list. Preparations. Obviously, when we are celebrating a carnival, we have to be prepared for that. So it is a grand festival. We were preparing, you can write, we were preparing for it before 2 to 3 months. We prepared for a lots of competitions and we prepared to express ourselves. Anything you can write related to the preparations. Next is variety show. So there is a variety show. Obviously, variety show you can say that there was a competition between different things. There were many stalls of food, and there was a competition of naat, kirat, race, anything you can give it the in the variety show. Sorry, competitions, I already explained that. Parade, obviously, there was when there is a grand festival of school, so you have to show the parade as well. So there was a parade. Obviously, you can explain how was the parade and did you enjoy the parade or not, or were you the part of that parade. Prize distribution. If there is a competition or there was a competition, so there will be a prize distribution. So we call a celebrity or any politician or chief minister or prime minister for the prize distribution ceremony. It was you can say that it was grand itself, or we distributed prizes among many winners and runner-ups. Okay, third one is plantation. You can give or set an example for others that we started our school carnival by the plantation around our school. It is a part of the school carnival. Okay, the next one is amazing. Obviously, it was an amazing time as the festival lasts for 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, or 4 days, or for a week. You can explain it by yourself that the festival was amazing and how it helped you. It was a great celebration, obviously, and it lasts for 3 days, and it helps me to learn many things. For example, we can gain confidence, or you can say that we know how to work in a team or work for same goal. Okay, so this was the topic. In the last, I would like to say, in short, School Carnival is a big festival which enables students to gain confidence and work as a team. I already told you. Thank you so much. If you have any kind of problem or any question related to the topic, you know how to contact me. Okay, this message is obviously for my students. Okay, so this is the end of our lecture. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.